Alright guys, Gavin here. I'm behind the lens right now because I didn't have somebody to film for me right now. But today we're doing an updated bike check. So it's after Christmas. As you can tell, my bike changed a lot actually. I didn't really change too many parts, it's just I changed the parts that had color. I have these Fit Benny bars. Obviously they're 4-piece. S&M Hoder grips. I have a Fit high top stem in chrome. I eventually want to get it in black. Moving down, headset is actually tree. We'll go to the frame now. This is a Stranger Crux frame in 20.5 in raw, and it's super awesome. I love it so far. I've only had it for about a week, and it's easier to do spin tricks because I went from a bigger frame down to a smaller frame. Some stock fit Inman forks that came off an Inman 2. I'm gonna change those out eventually. Then I have 2 daily grind pegs in the front, 4.5. I have a Primo Freemix hub. I don't know if it's called the Pro or not. And a lightning rim, single walled, you know, that single walled life. Normal spokes, normal nipples. The hub guards though came with the Primo front hub, so they're just Primo hub guards. I have some Colt D-Hart tires. Moving on back, I have some Merit pedals, which are awesome. I just put these new ones on. I have these Fit indent forks in 170 millimeters. I have a Colony Menace guard sprocket, which is awesome. Actually, I bent it, so it's not so awesome. I have this Colt 510 chain. I've had no problems with it. Moving up, I have this seat. I think it's like McNeil bikes. I don't even know, but it looks sweet. It's all black, pivotal. Seat post, I honestly don't know, but it's super short. So I have Colt D-Harts in the back with a matching back wheel, so it's a Sunday Lightning single walled rim, normal spokes, normal nipples, Primo Freemix Pro hub, so it has the 2 Primo hub guards. But in the back I have Diamondback pegs. Overall, this is like my favorite setup, but what I do want to change is maybe get a black sprocket and a black stem and some black cranks. I just think that would look sweet, so it's like all blacked out except for the frame. That may come in the future. First I want to get a new fork because it's getting really banged up down at the dropouts. So yeah, new grips, everything. In the background you see the Subrosa A-frame, so you'll get some clips on it real quick.